At the heart of every smoothly running business network is a switch.
When you need to connect more than a dozen or so computers, security and storage devices, and an IP phone network, it makes sense to investigate models
that let you reconfigure them to match your business's needs. Speed is an important factor, but so is cost. We've tested a range of network switches that cost around £500.
These types of switches generally allow you to connect more devices than home office models and may provide advanced features
such as built-in security firewalls, power management and power over Ethernet, which replaces the AC power supplies normally needed. A rather handy feature, we think you'll agree. First of all, we conducted speed tests across all the products.
We programmed a collection of computers to send large amounts of data through each switch, all at once. We then timed how long this operation took to run.
The switches we tested performed exactly the same as each other. They were all twice as fast as the inexpensive switches that are the favourite choice of many small businesses and home networks. This is because the business switches we tested were gigabit models, while consumer switches tend to have a maximum speed of 100 megabits per second.
The Cisco switch has an interesting feature not found on the others. It automatically prioritises phone calls made over the network. This means that no matter how busy the network becomes, the sound quality of important phone calls won't drop off. We used voice over IP handsets to make calls through each switch. This type of telephone system can be very cost efficient, saving even small businesses a lot of money over a short period of time.
You can make voice over IP calls to anywhere in the world, as well as call internal extensions within your office or offices.
While we were running our speed tests, we also made a phone call through each switch. It was busy handling gigabytes of data, so it was interesting to see if this had a negative impact on the phone call's quality. While a Cisco switch prioritised the telephone call, the others did not. The best call quality was achieved with the Cisco switch. The Cisco SG300-28P switch costs around the same as the D-Link gigabit alternative. They're both comparable on speed, but the Cisco model provides the telephone call priority by default without messing around with any settings,
which is incredibly useful. Overall, there isn't much to choose between them all, but the Cisco switch does give you more features, ideal if your business is looking to scale up and expand.